Hi guys, today we're going to be checking out the new updates in Animal Company. Let's go. Okay, let's go get our stuff. Put in the special code. Now we're going into this completely blind. We don't really know what we're doing. Do you know what you're doing, Finn?
I've seen some things on YouTube, but that's about it.
I have not seen anything. He has been telling me that it's like the Backrooms. So let's go test it out.
It sounds like there's a new sound for the hook shot.
Yeah.
Okay, so now all of the out of order stuff is gone. You want to click the up button, and then the elevator will open.
It's open. Come on. Finn, let's go. The lift is open.
And then we click up on here, and then we'll go up, and then you'll scream for your life.
I'm not screaming. Where are you? Oh, they're playing Follies.
Okay, so you always want to go to these exit signs, or the person running.
Person running?
Yeah. I think that's Karen.
Is it?
I see her.
I don't see anyone.
Bruh.
Where's Karen? Wait, where'd you go? Where'd you go?
I turned right.
Oh, there's something going round it over there in the middle part. Oh, it's coming round.
Yeah, that's Karen.
What happens if Karen comes over to us? Oh!
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Karen.
I told you were going to scream for your life.
No!
Yeah, there's new items. See how there's a floppy disk here?
Can you put it in the computer?
You can put them in your bag. Yeah, you want to collect lots of
Wait, Finn.
supplies.
Open your bag. I need to put my hook shot in there. I think we should put the I'm going to carry the impact
No, you
grenade.
don't. You want to carry your hook shot.
Okay.
Because when you get over to Jimmy, you will need it.
Oh, Coke.
I hear her again. My hand's stuck in the box. Oh my god, my hand is stuck.
Guys,
No,
the
my
new
hand's
boundary
actually
update is weird.
Okay, she's there. You want to keep facing her at her. And she won't kill you.
There's a tape dispenser there.
Yeah, you want to put those in your bag.
Yeah, I didn't know I had to bring a bag. Maybe next time we come down here, I'm going to bring
Okay.
a revolver.
This is good.
Oh, key card. You were saying about that.
Yeah, we got a key card.
Yesterday, weren't you?
Yeah, you need those to actually get through the game.
Okay, so where are we going now?
Now we wanna, because it says remember your key card. I think you want multiple just in case. But I can't find any more. So,
Should we go to that exit?
oh, there's another key card. There she is.
Keep my eye on Helen.
Keep your eye on her. And then you want to hit her. Yeah,
Go
now
and
we
attack
wanna.
her. Hang in there.
Now you wanna go
Wait for me. Okay,
this
let's
way. Get your hook shot out. Because we're gonna have to go down.
go. Whee! Him. So who's down here?
He's not. Well, they're all basically neck spots. That's what everyone's been calling them.
Is Jimmy down here?
Yeah, he's there. Do you see him round the corner?
No. What, the left?
Come over.
Oh my God.